Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. Kindly subscribe to this channel for me. So today on our menu is soya. This is authentic Ghanaian street-like kebab. It's a must try. So let's get started.
In the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in.
So I'm going to marinate this beef with onga tablets. That's the beef tablet, and also some maggi shrimp tablets, together with some salt. Wouldn't like my meat so dry, so I'm adding some amount of oil to it. So we're going to mix it up together and allow it to sit for some time before we put them into the sticks.
Dead to me, you were a friend to me, but I put you to sleep, and now you're dead to me.
So at this point, I'm going to put them into the sticks. But before I do that, I'll chop them into smaller pieces.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me cut so deep, and now you're dead to me. Dead to me, you were a friend to me, but I put you to sleep, and now you're dead to me. I get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell, or are you thinking them as well? Whoa. When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress.
What I finally have, I have 10 pieces of the kebabs. So at this point, I'm going to cover the meat with the soya, the kebab powder. I cover the meat, I have to mix the soya and spice it up. So I'm going to, this is the soya powder. I'm going to mix it with the pepper, some amount of pepper, because this pepper is too hot, so I'm not using all. And also add some salt to it and other spices. Mind you, you can use any spice of your choice, but I'm using just the beef tablets, the onga beef tablet, and the shrimp, maggi shrimp tablet.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me cut so deep, and now you're dead to me.
Forgetting some salt to taste.
Get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you.
I'm done, and I'm going to cover the beef with the spice kebab powder.
All the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress. I confess, I get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going
I'm finally done, and I'm going to spread some oil on top to prevent it from drying so fast, because if I don't do that and I put it in the oven, it might burn without properly grilling. My oven is already preheated, so I'm going to arrange them and put it in the oven at a degree of 180.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me cut so deep, and now you're dead to me. Dead to me, you were a friend to me, but I put you to sleep.
I'm going to grill this for 45 minutes only.
I get dirty thoughts about you.
Okay, so at this point, my Suya, my authentic Ghanaian street-like kebab is ready, and I bet you this is a must try. This is so delicious. You can try this in your homes. Kindly comment at the comment section for me. So I'm going to serve this with my extracts.
But now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain.